Good morning, 5th class. How are you all? I hope you are fine at your home. So, the children's, as we know that we are uh, doing the chapter 5 from English grammar, kinds of nouns. In the previous class, we talked about the proper noun, and today we will discuss common noun and collective nouns. So, common noun, a noun which does not point out to any particular person, place or thing, but it is common to all person or things or the same class or kind is called common noun. So, common noun, what is common noun? Common noun does not point out any particular person, place or things. यानी common noun वो होते हैं कि जो किसी भी particular person को या प्लेस को क्या करते हैं, पॉइंट आउट नहीं करते हैं. ये जो नाउन्स होते हैं, इट इज़ यूज फॉर ऑल पर्सन्स, ऑल थिंग्स, ऑल एनिमल्स. जस्ट सपोज द नेम बॉय कैन बी गिवन टू एनी एंड एवरी बॉय. ठीक है ना. जो बॉय, एक बॉय क्या है, नेम ऑफ अ क्लास, मतलब एक जिसे हम कह सकते हैं एक जाति का क्या है, पूरी एक जाति का क्या है, एक नेम है. Just suppose like to Afzal, Ashok, Rama, John. These all are the name of boys. We use these names for the boys. So Afzal is a boy, Ashok is a boy, Rama is a boy. So these are the special name of the boys, but they all are boy. ये जो इनके नेम डिफरेंट हो सकते हैं, बट दे ऑल आर बॉयज़. इनको हम क्या बोलेंगे, बॉयज़ ही बोलेंगे. वेदर इज़ अ अशोक, वेदर इज़ अ अफजल, वेदर इज़ अ रामा, वेदर इज़ अ जॉन, बट दे ऑल आर बॉयज़. इन द सेम थिंग इन द गर्ल्स, जस्ट लाइक रिया, कविता, सपना, all these names are we use for the girls, but they all are girls, but in the common thing they all are girls. Just like in things, just like if we talk about some table, round table, long table, short table, square table, different type of tables, but in different shape, but the common thing, all these are table. Just like in animal, dog, if we use the word dog, Libra, Pomeranian, the many breed, these are breed of dogs, but they all are dog. The common thing is they all are dog. So this is the common noun. And the third noun is a collective noun. When a noun stands for a collection of a person or things considered as one complete whole, it is called a collective noun. Collective noun is actually we use the name of a group. किसी भी ग्रुप के नेम को हम क्या कहते हैं, कलेक्टिव नाउन कहते हैं. इफ जस्ट सपोज in a team, just as a football team, as a cricket team, they all are where, because there is a collection of a person. In a team, some people game play together. इन अ टीम, यानी कि टीम में क्या होता है कि कई लोग होते हैं जो कि साथ में खेलते हैं, बट वी विल गिव अ नेम टू द ग्रुप, इट इज़ कॉल्ड टीम. अब हमने उनके ग्रुप को एक नेम दिया है, उसके लिए हम क्या यूज़ कर रहे हैं, टीम वर्ड. वी आर यूजिंग द टीम वर्ड फॉर दैम. Let's see more example. Just like the word army stands for a collection of soldiers. We use army. आर्मी से आपको एकदम क्लियर हो जाता है कि here we are talking about a collection of soldiers. जहाँ पर बहुत सारे सिपाही वर्क होते हैं, उस जगह को हम क्या कहते हैं, आर्मी. The word flock stands for a collection of sheep. The word crowd is a collection of a pupil. So we give the one word, it will use to the collection of a things or person or animals. So it is called collective noun. The class, the collection of pupils or students, यानी जहाँ पर बहुत सारे बच्चे एक साथ बैठकर स्टडी करते हैं उस जगह को हम क्या कहते हैं, क्लास कहते हैं. तो we use the collective noun here for the class. Look at this. Here, this is group of people. This is group of animals and birds and fishes. This is group of things. Read this carefully. And now, the exercise time. You have to write the name of a. You have to write here the collective noun. Just suppose a herd of cattle. So you can write here cattle. A fleet of ships. A band of musicians. A bundle of sticks. A packet of biscuit. A flock of sheep. A bouquet of flowers. A regiment of soldiers. A heap of stones. A bunch of bananas. So you have to write here the collective nouns. You have to choose from the box and you will do and you will complete it. Now here you have to encircle the collective noun in each of the sentence. Just suppose her class went to Rajasthan on a historical excursion. Excursion is a collective noun here. Excursion, it means when you will go to visit in many place in one trip. जब आप क्या करते हैं, किसी बहुत सारी जगहों को देखने के लिए एक ट्रिप में आप क्या जाते हैं, काफ़ी सारी जगहों को देखने जाते हैं, विजिट करने जाते हैं, तो उसको हम बोलते हैं क्या, एक्सकर्शन, यानी अ शॉर्ट ट्रिप और अ शॉर्ट जर्नी, जिसमें आप पर्टिकुलर एक ही जगह में नहीं जाएंगे कि जैसे कि इफ़ यू आर गोइंग ओनली टू सी द ताजमहल, तो नो, you are going to visit Taj Mahal, Lal Killa and many other historical places और zoo. कई सारी चीज़ों को जब आप एक ही ट्रिप में जब आप कई सारी चीज़ों को देखने जाते हैं तो उसे बोलते हैं exhaustion. So here our team has won every tennis match this year. So team is a collective noun here. So the children, you have to read this carefully and circle the collective nouns. The other noun we will discuss in next class. Till then, bye. Take care.